Now being loaded, all set, ready to race. Racing just is started. We have Royal Heiress first to show quickness at the start. Best Strike is right behind in second. Running by the rail is Bombs Treasure. Real Top comes next, while BDA's is the early trailer and going along for the first turn. Bombs Treasure is running by the rail. Alongside comes Royal Heiress. Real Top comes next, then followed away by Best Strike, while BDA's is still running at the tail of the field as they swing down the back with Royal Heiress by about half length. Running by the rail is Bombs Treasure, and on the outside comes Real Top. Next on line is Best Strike, while BDA's is still racing in fifth. Inside the tres octavo with Royal Heiress maintaining a 3/4 of a length lead. Real Top is on the outside second. By the rail third is Bombs Treasure. Best Strike comes next, while BDA's is still running at the tail of the field. And they are now entering the home stretch with Royal Heiress by a length. And on the outside now is Real Top as they swing for Royal Heiress. Real Top is on the outside. Best Strike is down in third with about 150 meters more to run. We have Royal Heiress. Real Top is on the outside, but it's still Royal Heiress followed by Real Top on the outside. Royal Heiress, Real Top, and finally Royal Heiress. Real Top, Best Strike.
So, yun po ang ating exciting finish sa race number 3. Pero meron nga po tayong photo for first at tingnan muna natin itong quarter clockings. 13, 25 and a half, 24 and a half, finishing with 29 for a total of 1 minute 32 seconds flat.
This slow-mo replay is brought to you by Katialis Ointment and Medicated Soap. Para sa kutis na totoong malinis, makinis at walang skin disease, gamitin lagi ang Katialis.
Panoorin natin itong slow-mo replay. Titignan natin kung lumampas ba o hindi. Ito palapit sa finish line. Nasa labas yung numero 4 sa Tanim Valley Entrance. At